Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, RG Tech. So I promised you guys the unboxing video of the PS5, and I got a couple of extra accessories here as well, which is a red controller, charging station. So this came in the bundle, so I'm gonna return these, the white one and the Spider-Man and the Ratchet and Clank game, and I'm gonna have these instead. All right, because this already comes with a white one, so I'm gonna get a different color, which is the red one here. Okay, so I'm gonna have my son hold this for me while I unbox this big boy right here. Alright, so here's another box inside here. Alright. First thing, controller. Got this white one here. Nice. Alright, let's put that aside. Then we have our power cable here. Looks just like the one for the PS4. Next, manuals, booklets, and all that good stuff. We're not gonna read these. Nobody reads that. Let's see what else. Oh, come with a stand. You got an HDMI cable. This one looks really thick. HDMI. Yeah, so this comes in the box. Also comes with a stand here. I'm just gonna go through this real fast. See what else we have. USB cable. Now we have the PS5 itself. This is big. So here it is. We got the PS5. Here we go. That's the front, and that's the back. And this is the disc version, so you can use the disc in here. You can use a PS4 or PS5 games in here. All right, so I'm gonna unbox the other controller and the charging station. So let's put this aside for now. Let's put it right here. Alright, so I have the red controller. This is cosmic red, as they call it. So let's unbox this. Go. There it is. Comes with books, but no one reads, so here it is. It looks really nice. All right. And then we have the last thing on our list, which is our charging station here. I put music tonight. is the power cable for the charging station. And oh, this is the adapter here, and this is the power cable. And then this is the charging station itself. So okay guys, so now I'm done with the setup. As you can see, my little dresser here with the TV and the PlayStation right here. So now it's time for the first boot up. Okay, so let me go ahead, turn it on. There we go. Alright. Very pretty.
Wow.
Man, this picture quality is good.
Yo.
8K and a 4K TV.
Yeah, but now but you can't get 8K.
That's so cool.
Alright, so now it says I have to plug this in.
Astro Playroom.
Alright, so let me connect the controller.
That's so cool. It's so much
Isn't
better.
it wireless?
The quality.
But the first
You have to connect it.
You connect it first.
Okay.
Okay, so that's plugged in. Now it says I have to press the PlayStation button. There we go.
English.
English.
Yeah.
We have, what is this? The circle should fill the screen without. So now it has the media apps. I pretty much don't use any of these on the PlayStation.
Except for
these.
YouTube.
These are all on the TV. Unless I have an 8K TV and I want to watch 8K, then I have to download these. But I have all these on the TV, so I'm just gonna do this later.
Cool. Astro Playroom. I
Quickly
just want to
finish
see that.
configuring your PS5, transfer data from your PS4.
Oh, you did that, right?
If you want to do this later, so do this later, because I can download that online.
Stop. I want to
later.
see. I want to see the Astro Playroom.
So welcome to PlayStation 5.
I want this. It's gonna be so cool. What? Yeah, Astro Playroom. I was talking about Astro Playroom.
Alright, so
Can you try out Astro Playroom?
it's way faster than the PS4. No lagging.
Try Astro Playroom.
So no lagging, this is nice and smooth.
Oh wait, and I heard that if you turn off the thing and you go back, you can return the thing to the game and it doesn't lose your progress. You don't have to start over.
So deals.
Wait, Mama.
Go back. See the graphics, it looks way better.
Yeah, that looks
Yes.
so good. Go to Astro
So I'm
Playroom.
gonna go here. I'm gonna test this out a little bit. So this is seems like it's a free game.
Yeah, it comes with it just like the PS4. It comes with Playroom. I played it. I see it and it's so cool. I want to try it.
That looks like the VR.
Yeah, there's the and the
The
normal.
VR guy.
Yeah, it is the VR guy. And it's also non-VR too. I played a non-VR one.
It's a vibrate.
Yeah. You hear sound through this.
The same thing with the PS4
So
controller.
press any button.
That makes sound with the one outside too when I play it. At the playroom. I hear
The sound is
noises.
coming through here.
That's
It's
chunky.
coming through here.
So the sound's coming through the
The new controller that chunky
You
have a
see the
same
PS1,
place.
PS2, PS3,
PS
That's
PS4,
PSVR. PSVR.
So if I there.
Where's the
Because
vibe?
this game is hard and all of those.
Vibration.
Watch.
Oh, wait. Yo, that's so cool. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. It can do
Adaptive
that.
triggers.
Yeah.
Whoa. Feel this.
Whoa. Yo.
Feel it, Chunky.
Whoa.
That
That's
thing
so
that excites
cool.
you.
Wow.
I saw that on
It's
YouTube.
like you feel what's happening in the
Yeah,
game.
that's what I heard
Oh,
on
man.
the thing. You can feel it feels like you like in the
This
thing.
is nice.
Everybody
It says when
excited.
playing like a
Next.
shooter game.
Touchpad.
Wait, can I feel? I want to feel. Whoa. This feels like it's better than my controller. Even though it's like this one,
Next.
it's better vibration and the
Motion
sound.
sensor.
The sound is better too, cause when I play in my controller.
Alright, calm down.
Oh, you feel it turning and everything.
Wait,
in
can
there.
I?
Feel it.
Look at all my kids.
What? That's so
All my
cool.
kids getting excited over a game.
So next,
That's that's a microphone.
Yeah, that's a microphone.
microphone.
Hey.
Microphone.
That's
See,
it.
very-
Wait.
Oh.
Hi.
See, let's go.
Can I play? Cause it's so fun. I want to play it. I saw it. The PlayStation 5.
PlayStation 5. That is what you have.
The master. Is this turned into
Looks
the
like an
master?
alien.
Yeah, this one.
How's that an alien?
That's what an alien look face.
Man, this
Whoa!
is nice.
Whoa! This is sick.
Whoa!
I want to feel it.
What is
I
that?
think that's inside of it. What?
Is that
Oh my god!
But why is the sound in here?
You have to
what
take
I
them
want
out.
to do.
Because I played this game before. You have to like swipe it up for them to come out.
Yeah?
You have to swipe it up. That's the only one. You have to like.
Like, if we go get chunky, we can take over.
Can I try?
Alright guys, so these are not my kind of game, so I'm gonna let my son play this one.
This is so cool.
See, I right away you know, baby. If I play like a long time, you have a game. You have a PS5. It's the same thing on the 4 chunky.
Yeah, there's a game like this, but it's like different, very different. This is like cooler.
Yeah, but-
Can't you put this? And I also play this on my VR. I play it on my control end of it.
Oh no, wait.
It feels so cool. It feels so
That's a
cool.
big robot!
Oh wait, what?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Take you one, I guess I can get the different angle.
One thing is the graphics. The graphics way
is
better
so
than
cool.
the PS4, you know?
This is so much better than the
And it
PlayStation
goes
4.
smooth
Like so much.
Maybe it's gonna look different.
Joe!
Remember, this is like.
Whoa! This is so much better.
This is insane.
Map.
Is it like train you? I see him more game than the pretty and
Oh, this
Remember the PS3 just
Yeah.
no, when you game them, they make them pretty and
I'm gonna
pretty.
check this.
The developer then come up and say,
Dude, this feels so cool. It feels like real
So
life.
they want to make them the resolution them better and prettier. I remember when PS4 just come out, you game them last like after a year after it come out, game them very pretty upon it.
I don't see the
I'm so
time.
confused right now.
Me too.
This is like so much different.
And
Oh
look
wait,
at this.
what is this?
That's
Whoa, this is the jungle.
This is the jungle.
Wait, where's the? I want to go to the place where you like. Oh, these are the little robots I saved last time. This is like the VR. This reminds me of the VR.
That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. This is just the unboxing and setup of the PS5.
Like
So-
the VR.
Remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you like what you see,
Oh my
and I'll catch you in the next one.
I'm gonna try
Peace.
and go to the.